If you want a visa to travel abroad without spending too much, you don't want to be an agent, hang in here with me. You can do it yourself. Yes, you can do it yourself. Now, this video is only for salary earners. I would make another video for business owners. When I say business owners, it doesn't mean big businesses. You can be a shoe cobbler. You're working for yourself. You can be hawking pure water. Maybe you're hawking peanuts. Maybe you're roasting corn on the roadside in the evening. It's your own business. You're working for yourself. No one pays you. So I'll make another video for you. But today, I'm going to talk to the salary earners. Now, it doesn't matter how big or how small. You could just be a cleaner somewhere. Maybe you're a house help. Maybe you're a serious person. Whatever kind of job you're doing, as long as you're earning salary and you want to get a visa to travel abroad, you don't know what to do, you don't have the money to pay an agent, I'm going to walk you through how you can do it yourself. First, you need a bank account. Does your employer pay into your bank account? If you don't have one, you're going to open a bank account, ask your employer to be paying your salary into your bank account. If your employer doesn't have the means of paying into your bank account directly, no problem. Get your cash at the end of the month, put it in your bank account before you spend it. Spend from your bank account. No matter what, open that account because you're going to need it. Now, travel is expensive, so you have to save. This is money you have to spend on your own. So you know where it goes. You have to save. After that, look for a conference in your field, whatever kind of job you're doing. If you are a cleaner, look for janitorial conference, wherever country, whichever country you want to go. Go online, check for the conferences. You find one that falls within maybe 6 months from when you open the bank account, because your bank account should be as old as 6 months before you use it. You'll find one, ask the organizers if they will extend an invitation to you. Most organizers will. So ask them. If they say yes, register for the conference. You need to get a bank card though. Pay for the conference. Ask for the invitation. After which, look at the city where the conference is going to take place. Look for accommodation in that city, a cheap hotel, Airbnb or something. Pay for it for the period of the conference. Or their travel insurance, go to the travel agency, get a travel insurance, get a flight confirmation, get a payment voucher from the hotel where you are going to stay that you've already paid for. Either you pay night in advance or whatever the case may be. Just pay a night, don't pay all. Get a voucher, a confirmation, a receipt or something that you've paid for the accommodation. Put those ones together. Write a letter explaining what you do for a living. You are the one writing the letter. What you do for a living, why you are going for that conference, and how the conference is going to make you do your job better when you return. It's going to put you in a better place. It's going to make you earn more money. Those are some of the reasons. You want to be a professional in what you do. It doesn't matter how little. Write that letter, addressing it to the embassy of that country where you're going to go apply for the visa. Put those ones together and you are ready to apply for a visa. Check their website, look it up. What are the visa requirements? If they need pay stubs, ask your employer to give you pay stubs. If your employer doesn't issue pay stubs, ask your employer to write you a letter that you're working for them and you are going for this conference and this is how much they pay you, and whatever recommendation. So you need your bank statement, at least 6 months, I believe. Make sure that all your salary is going there. You have some savings as well, because you're going to show proof that you can afford the flight ticket, return ticket. So you have your bank statement, you have a little money there that will cover your stay for the period of the conference and your flight and your accommodation for that period. You have a letter or pay stubs from your employer confirming the same amount that you've been putting in your account every month. You have a conference confirmation. You have the invitation. You have the payment receipt for the conference. You have your accommodation confirmation or a voucher from the hotel or something that proves that you've reserved a place to stay. You have your ticket confirmation. You have a travel insurance. You're done. Go to the embassy. Or if you want the physical form, otherwise most of it is online now. Fill the form. If you need help, ask someone for help to fill the form. Once you're done, submit your application. Make sure you have enough time. That's why you have to go check the embassy's website. The visa processing time. You don't want to apply for a visa when the time is too close. So you need to give yourself a lot of time for them to be able to process your visa. Otherwise, they're going to deny you, say there's no time. So give yourself enough time. Go apply for the visa. You'll be surprised. Now, there's no guarantee that you're going to get it, just like there's no guarantee if you had paid an agent. The same thing the agent is going to do. They can't give you guarantee. This is you doing it yourself, cutting the agent out, saving yourself a lot of money. Now, I'm not a visa agent. What I'm telling you today is personal knowledge. I'm not an immigration officer, so I'm not asking for any money. I'm just walking you through what you can do by yourself so you can save yourself a lot of money. I know there are some of you out there who wants to try, but you don't even know what to do. You don't know what you need. That's the essence of this video. You don't need more than those things I've just mentioned. Get your passport if you haven't had one. So, I forgot that. That's the first thing you actually need. A passport to enable you travel. So once you get that, you're ready. Try the embassy. If they refuse you once, it doesn't matter. There is this misconception out there that if an embassy refuses you once and they would, you go apply again, they'll refuse you. That's not true. Canada refused me visa twice in my life before they gave me visa again. They refused me twice. This country that I am. So, forget the misconception that if you are refused one, don't go back. You are refused because you didn't meet the visa requirement. There's something they needed that you didn't produce. Don't submit fake documents. Plan it. It takes time. Could be 6 months, could be a year, could be 2. Just plan it. Because if you don't plan it, failure is almost certain. But if you plan it, it's going to most likely work for you. Give it a try. Don't sit back. Don't feel like I don't know what to do. I can't do it. You have questions? Ask me in the comment section so that other people can benefit from the responses that I would give. Follow me, share this video, like this video, and save it. There are so many other series coming on this topic. God bless you.